Hey, what's up, guys? It is I, Dr. Dominic Srigliano, at Stress Kicker. So welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, welcome. What Stress Kicker is all about is providing solutions to help you kick stress where it counts, in the balls. That's right. So we give all different solutions in the main areas where stress can really affect and wreak havoc in our lives. So there's emotional stress, there's physical stress, there's chemical stress, there's spiritual stress, and financial stress. All of those things are things that I am going to share with you to help you have a stress-free, as much as possible life. So today's topic is hypnosis. As in, look into my eyes, you are getting sleepy. This is like a pocket watch here, you know? Not really, I mean, I don't have a pocket watch. But if I did, that's what I'd be doing. And you'd be hypnotized right now. So, listen, hypnosis gets a bad rap, I think, right? You know, if you think about it, it's more like, if you're like me, and you think back to what is hypnosis, it's like the Hollywood version. You're getting very sleepy, you're under control, and you'll do whatever is suggested, right? And if you've been to any of those shows like I have, where it's pretty freaking funny when people are up there doing ridiculous things that they normally wouldn't do, like clucking around like a chicken. That's clucking like a chicken. So, you know, it's pretty comical. But there's a lot of merit to hypnosis. And hypnosis as a stress reliever is pretty fantastic. The big key is, though, with hypnosis, is the you have to be ready, open, willing to make a change in your life. Otherwise, it doesn't work, because what you're dealing with is a subconscious mind, and you want to get rid of some limiting, stinking, thinking, crappy thoughts that don't serve you, and replace them with empowering ones, so that you have less stress in your life. And so hypnosis has also been used for like tons of things with great effectiveness, like pain management. Actually, dentists have been known to use it for getting dental work done for their patients and not experiencing the same level of pain. But bottom line is, hypnosis, whether you're using a hypnotherapist, which if that works for you, absolutely go check it out, do that. Or I'm going to give you actually an easy breezy way, something that I use on a regular basis, and it's actually going to be my gift to you today. It'll be in the description below, a link for it. So it's a gift, free version to eliminate stress. That's what it's called. And this one particular company that I love, and I've had used several of their other products, but they have all different topics for hypnosis, and things like eliminating stress, of course, losing weight, making money, getting rid of fears, stuff like sexual libido, how you doing, raising your sexual libido, but all different things. So check it out. But again, the free version that I'm giving you is the eliminate stress version. So anyway, you know, if we don't deal with our stress effectively, what ends up happening is somehow, some way, it manifests physically in our bodies. Now, I know for me, when I wasn't dealing with stressful crap that was going on in my life, I had gut issues. I had headaches on a frequent basis, lightheadedness, and those are pretty common symptoms to have. But other things are like neck, back pain, which as a chiropractor, people have come in, countless times saying they have this neck pain, but they didn't do anything. Well, that's stress. It's not dealing with their stress, and it shows up physically. Other things like skin conditions, eczema, acne, and even more serious stuff like heart issues, cancers can be traced back to stress-related issues. So anyway, Using hypnosis is just one of the tools to use to start reprogramming the brain. And again, easy breezy. Basically, it's an MP3 downloadable whatever tool, and you listen to it with earbuds, and it starts giving you suggestions that you can just chill, meditate, and listen to the hypnosis track. So, super simple. Hopefully, you download it and it works for you, and it's just one of those other tools that you'll have in your stress-kicking arsenal to effectively help you kick stress where it counts. So, if you like what I'm saying, smash that subscribe button so other people can get this awesome information to help them with their stress. And also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do more videos. So, until next time, keep on kicking stress where it counts. Thanks. Peace.